Welcome to my NordVPN coupon code, NordVPN discount code, and NordVPN promo code video. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I personally got myself a NordVPN coupon code and a discount code right here, which allowed me to get NordVPN right here, as you can see on screen, for a massive discount. So I've actually purchased NordVPN right here using a discount, and I'm going to be showing you step by step how you can actually do the same for yourself. So without further ado, let's begin today's video. So the first step is to simply click the top link down below in the video description, because as you can see right here, I have two different tabs open, right? So typically right here, as you can see, you'll only get like a 72% off discount plus 3 months free if you go through the standard like homepage or through most people's links, when it comes to like the coupon videos and just like videos on YouTube and Google in general, you'll see like the 72% off discount, which is great. I mean, it's okay, but if you click the top link down below in the video description right here, you'll actually get a 73% off discount plus 4 months free, which is what I personally got to actually get this discount right here and to actually activate, and get, NordVPN and get the best deal possible and to get, full access to NordVPN right here, as you can see on screen, which we'll cover throughout today's video. So keep on watching. But most importantly, if we go over here and click on grab deal for both of these different plans right here, you'll see right here that if you click the top link down below in the video description, you'll actually get NordVPN for only $3.18 per month for the 2-year plan right here, where you save 73% off, right? But if you go with the standard link, which is everyone else's link for the most part, you'll see right here that like the standard homepage link on the NordVPN site will only get you $3.30 per month plus 3 months free. And again, these pricing plans may change over time, but what I'm trying to convey right here is that if you do click the top link down below, you actually get the best deal right here. And that's because, as you can see right here, the coupon code imminent right here is actually automatically applied if you click the top link down below in the video description, where you get 73% off discount instead of the standard 72% off discount, right? So that's something to consider. So if we actually remove this coupon code right here, you'll see that the plan is actually only going to give you 72% off discount. But if we go ahead and actually reapply, so if we actually make my screen bigger right here, if we reapply got coupon and we type in the coupon code imminent, all right, let's click on apply. As you can see, the coupon code imminent will allow us to get a massive discount, 73% off discount plus 4 months free, which is pretty cool. And that's how I was able to get NordVPN right here for a discount and actually save a bit of money while also, getting full access to NordVPN right here. So all you have to do is simply click the top link down below in the video description, and that will enable you to get like NordVPN coupon code and discount code and the best one available, regardless when you're watching this video. Because again, basically the coupon code imminent is automatically applied, right? So let's just say the pricing plan does change in the future. You can always just, again, click on got coupon, and once we apply that, the coupon's automatically applied, right? Now, we're also going to go over some of these other discounts as well right here, because you can get some other discounts right here. And we're also going to go over NordVPN right here as well, some other information. So keep on watching this video, because there's plenty of information you need to know before activating the NordVPN coupon code. But if we actually go back right here, as you can see, if we scroll down below, there's plenty of information that goes over like what NordVPN is all about. In fact, if we go over here, and if we go over here, as you can see, there's a 30-day money-back guarantee. So the cool thing about this deal is that you can actually try NordVPN for 30 days, and if you don't like it, you can get your money back completely risk-free. So that's also something to consider as well. So you can always get your money back no matter what happens during that 30-day money-back guarantee. And as you can see, NordVPN has a bunch of different countries and servers we can choose from right here. So as you can see, you can basically zoom over here, and you can choose to connect to Germany, and to various other different places. So as you can see, we have Argentina, Australia, Austria, Belgium, Brazil, Canada, Croatia, Finland, France, Germany. Like I said before, Hong Kong, Hungary. I mean, there's plenty of different places right here and different servers we can connect to. So if we go over here actually, and we go over here to the server list right here, at the time of recording this video, NordVPN has over 5,000 NordVPN servers in 59 different countries worldwide. And we're going to go back to this in just a moment, but if we go back over here to checkout, so if we go over here, and if we go over here to grab the deal, we can click on grab deal right here. All right. And once we click on grab deal, you'll see that we obviously get the coupon code and discount that we applied right here. So this is going to get you the best possible deal available for NordVPN. Again, you can click the top link down below to activate this deal regardless of when you're watching this video. And basically, as you can see right here on screen as well, you'll see that you can also get, some even further discounts for NordPass right here and for NordLocker Premium right here. So NordPass will allow you to basically like store your passwords and organize them and make it easily accessible when it comes to like your passwords, when it comes to like having them from anywhere. So it's basically like a password manager type of tool. It's very, very like handy and very, very powerful if you want to like keep your passwords like, secure, and you want to store them securely, obviously, and you just use them like pretty much anywhere at any time. So strongly recommend you definitely add that to your order if you are interested in that type of stuff. I can't really say much about NordLocker Premium, but I've heard like a lot of good things about it as well, so you can even try that out if you want. So if click on continue to payment right here, you can see that they actually do accept credit cards, which is obviously pretty standard stuff, right? If we go over here to Google Pay, they accept Google Pay, Amazon Pay right here, ACH transfer, Union Pay, and even cryptocurrencies, guys, which I really do appreciate because, you can obviously buy, purchase NordVPN anonymously using cryptocurrencies, so you can maintain your privacy and still use NordVPN to its full potential, which is something that, I think we can all appreciate, right? So that's pretty cool, and you do get a 30-day money-back guarantee as well. So if we go back over here, and we go back to the server list right here, as you can see on NordVPN, there's like plenty of different servers right here that we can choose from right here. And we can go over here and we can basically choose a specific region. So if you want to like go connect to like Miami, Los Angeles, or Buffalo, Chicago, San Francisco, and you can obviously choose, it automatically like chooses like the fastest region and server for you as well. But you can choose like a region, so in New York, a server as well. There's plenty of different servers right here that you can choose from, which is very, very cool. You can do this for like, multiple different countries as well. So you can do the same thing, for UK, right? And if you all you have to do is just right click it as well. So you can, do this as well. And as you can see, if you scroll up right here, we can go ahead and do a quick connect. We can, check out some like the specialty servers as well. You can use, the VPN, P2P. So lots of different features and things we can do inside of our NordVPN account. As you can see right here. As you can see, you can find the best server type to connect to our app. You can select activity, like what you want to use it for, and you can do that. You can also, choose where to connect from. So if you want to like choose a specific country, you can do that right here as well. This is on the NordVPN site, but like I'm just showing you like what you can do as well. So VPN service optimized for your needs. What protocols are used by NordVPN? Choose NordVPN service address by city, which is pretty cool. Connecting NordVPN servers with ease. So that's pretty self-explanatory. And again, all you have to do to activate like NordVPN's, best discount available is simply click the top link down below in the video description. And as you can see, there's plenty of benefits right here inside of NordVPN. There's plenty of different things we can do, and I like the user interface as well, which is pretty cool. I like the modern user interface, which looks very, very slick and very, very cool, and it's very simple to use as well, which is pretty cool. So, as you can see, some of the features right here, that, when it comes to like the benefits of using NordVPN and just VPNs in general, is so you can stay safe with secure internet. You get access to like one of the fastest VPNs, which you can use for like watching content and downloading stuff as well. Strict no logs policy, uninterrupted streaming, privacy on the go, VPN servers everywhere, multiple devices, so much more information here as well. Multi-factor authentication, protect your data non-stop right here and start inside of NordVPN. Split tunneling support, dedicated IP, Onion over Onion VPN, which we just went over here. Which we just went over right here, as you can see. Use with ease. Double protection, mask your IP, block malware ads, browser extensions, no data leaks, worldwide access so you can access content throughout the world, and so much more as well. I don't want this video being too long, but I want to go over some like the important information, and you can obviously use this, NordVPN on multiple devices as well, which is very important. So if you click on multiple devices, you can use it on Mac, Android, Windows, and so many more devices as well. There's so much more. So you can use it on desktop computers, laptops, smartphones, tablets. It's very, very, very powerful for that as well. So you can use it for all your devices, for business, for your family. It's very, very cool. So Android, Windows, Mac, iOS phone, iPad, Android TV, Linux, Chrome, Firefox, and many other different like platforms as well. So yeah, wanted to make a quick video going over how you can get a NordVPN coupon code, discount code, and promo code, and you know, you can get a deal and a code for NordVPN. Again, all you have to do to activate the best NordVPN coupon code available is to simply click the top link down below. I do believe this deal is going to be for a limited time, you know, only, you know, period. So you can activate this huge discount and get it now at the time of recording this video. Again, I will be updating the links down below in the video description so you can get the best NordVPN coupon code regardless when you're watching this video. And again, all you have to do to get a bigger discount is you just want to make sure the coupon code imminent is applied. And when you click the top link down below, the coupon code imminent will automatically be applied for you anyway. So that's how you basically save the most amount of money. Again, if we take away the coupon code imminent, that's automatically applied when you click the top link down below. You pay more, but when you apply the coupon code, you save a lot more. As you can see, there you go, like magic. So yeah, that's it for today's NordVPN coupon code, NordVPN discount code, and NordVPN promo code video. Thanks for watching. Cheers.